In the quiet morning, the baker's hands skillfully knead the dough, a timeless tradition passed down through generations. As the ovens ignite, the air fills with the aroma of freshly baked bread, evoking a comforting nostalgia for simpler times. The baker's artistry transforms humble ingredients into golden loaves, the foundation of nourishing meals and cherished memories. Each loaf symbolizes warmth and connection, a shared experience that brings people together around the table. With every batch, the baker weaves a story of promise, a new day unfolding with the anticipation of breaking bread together. The crackling sound of crust, the softness of the crumb, every bite carries the essence of comfort and the baker's dedication. In the early hours, the bakery becomes a sanctuary, where the aroma of fresh bread wraps around you like a warm embrace. As the sun rises, the baker's creations are ready to be shared, spreading joy and nourishment to all who partake. In this timeless ritual, the baker's hands shape more than just dough, they shape memories that will linger in hearts forever. With every loaf, the baker pours love and passion into their craft, a testament to the enduring power of bread and community.